In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically save Google Form responses to Google Sheets. First, open the Google form where you want to store responses. If you already have the form created, open it in edit mode so you can access its settings and tabs. Double-check you're in the correct form, especially if you manage several in your drive, to avoid linking the wrong one. Next, switch to the Responses tab along the top of the form. This is where you'll see how many submissions you've received and where you control how answers are stored. If the form is brand new, this area may be empty. That's totally fine. We're about to connect it to a spreadsheet so every response is captured automatically and organized for you. Now find the green spreadsheet icon labeled Link to Sheets within the Responses section and click it. This is the built-in connector between Google Forms and Google Sheets, and it creates a live pipeline so you never have to copy and paste manually or export CSV files later. A window will pop up with two choices: create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. For a clean setup, choose Create a new spreadsheet, then click Create. You can rename the new file immediately, which keeps your drive tidy and makes it easier to find later. While you could link to an existing file, creating a fresh one helps avoid accidental overwrites. Google Forms will now open the connected Google Sheets file automatically. You'll see a header row with each form question as a column, and there's typically a timestamp column added for you. This sheet is now the official destination for your form's responses. Avoid deleting the header row or reordering columns after data starts coming in, as that can make analysis messy. If you ever change a question title later, Sheets will update the header for new submissions. Older entries keep their original text, so consistency helps. From this point on, every time someone submits your form, their answers appear as a new row in the spreadsheet, almost instantly. You don't need to refresh. Forms writes the data for you in real time. To verify everything is working, you can submit a quick test response from the form and watch it land under the headers. You can delete that test row afterward. If you plan to analyze results, consider placing charts, filters, or formulas on additional tabs so the raw responses remain untouched. You can also freeze the header row to keep questions visible as you scroll. Remember, the spreadsheet lives in your Google Drive, so you can share it with collaborators using the right permissions. That's all it takes to connect a Google form to Google Sheets and watch responses flow in automatically.